I am Rajesh. I am a person with visual impairment. I am working at Enable India as a trainer. So, as I said, I am going to show you now how we can able to use the pen leveler. So, what is the use of pen leveler? Pen leveler is used to, for example, if any lady is cooking in the kitchen every day, how do you identify the food grains every day? That with the help of this pen leveler, you can stick the sticker on the container and you can record what is the name of that box, either sugar box or chili powder, along with this pen leveler. Now I am going to show you how we can able to record in the such situations. I am having a two cards here, ATM cards. I don't know which one it is. Now I'll just take a help from my friend Abir. Abir, can you tell me which card is this?
It's a ICIC, right?
Okay, this is the ICIC card, you said. I'll put just one sticker on this card. Okay, I'm putting in the corner of the ATM card sticker. Now with the pen labeler, I'll just record ICIC ATM card. I'll on the device with the power button.
Power on.
Okay, if you want to record the name of this card, you have to press and hold the middle button.
Select a label to record on.
It said select a label to record on. I'm keeping the sensor, the lid on the ATM card, which is I have sticked already sticker on the ATM card. On that sticker, I'm keeping the pen to record.
Select a recording. Start.
ICIC ATM card. So now it is recorded. Now if I keep on that label, it will tell.
Recording.
ICIC ATM card. ICIC ATM card, it said. Thank you.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.